In the given figure, find the value of x. See, this x we have to find out. Now what we know, PT we know, that is tangent 8, and this PA we know 4. Now we have to find x. Okay. Firstly join OT. Therefore OA equals to OT equals to x, right? This is x, radius, right? Both radii. Therefore OT perpendicular to TP. OT perpendicular to TP because radius and tangent perpendicular to each other. In triangle OTP, yes, OP square equals to OT square plus TP square, Pythagoras. Therefore 4 plus x the whole square equals to x square plus 8 square, right? Solve it. 16 a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. 16 plus 8x plus x square equals to x square plus 64. X square gone. Therefore 8x equals to 64 minus 16, 48. X equals to 6. That's the required answer. Next,